Imagine this outside. The trees are bare. Frost is clinging to every window. But right inside your home, you reach over and pluck a handful of fresh spinach, still dewy from this morning's watering. Sounds impossible for winter, right? Well, that's exactly what we're about to make possible. Because when the world goes cold, your home can stay green. Hey friends, I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to timeless gardening, welcome to the coziest corner of the internet, where we believe gardening doesn't end with the seasons. It simply changes its rhythm. And to my longtime growers, you already know how we do it here. Always finding new ways to make nature thrive right where we are. Before we dig in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our beautiful community of gardeners who don't just grow plants, they grow joy, creativity, and calm. And if you've been with me a while, tap that like button to let me know you're ready for another round of green magic. Alright, let's head inside and uncover 7 winter veggies you can grow right now, indoors for a quick satisfying harvest that'll make your home feel alive again. Vegetable number 1. Spinach, the fast foolproof green. When most people think of indoor gardening, they imagine herbs or maybe a few houseplants. But if you're craving something truly satisfying to grow, something you can actually harvest fast, start with spinach. Spinach is the quiet hero of winter gardening. It doesn't fuss about sunlight, it doesn't demand fancy soil, and it grows faster than you think. In fact, if you start today, you could be snipping your first tender leaves in just a few short weeks. Picture this, a wide, shallow pot sitting by your kitchen window. You wake up one chilly morning, step barefoot onto the cool tiles, and there it is, a patch of deep green spinach, thriving despite the frost outside. You run your fingers across the leaves, still cool and dewy, and you realize you just grew fresh spinach in the middle of winter. The secret: spinach loves the cold. It's built for it. Just keep the soil lightly moist, give it a little morning light, and it'll reward you over and over again. You can keep harvesting from the same plant for weeks. Just snip the outer leaves, and let the center keep growing. And here's a fun little challenge for you. If you start your spinach this week, come back in the comments 3 weeks from now, and tell me how it's doing. Let's see who gets their first harvest fastest. Vegetable number 2. Radishes, the 3-week wonder. If you've ever wished gardening could give faster rewards, radishes are about to become your new best friend. These little powerhouses don't make you wait. In as little as 3 weeks, you can go from seed to harvest, right inside your home. Now most people think radishes need a big outdoor bed. But the truth is, they love containers. A deep bowl, a recycled tub, even an old storage bin with a few drainage holes. That's all they need to surprise you. Picture this, a small pot on your windowsill filled with tiny green shoots pushing through the soil. Day by day, they grow taller, until one morning you brush the leaves aside, and see that flash of red peeking through the dirt. That's your radish, ready and waiting. The trick: keep them somewhere cool but bright, and water lightly every few days. They don't like to stay thirsty, but they don't enjoy soggy roots either. Balance is key, and if you plant them in batches every week, you'll have a continuous supply all winter long. Here's a little idea. Make it a mini challenge. Plant 1 pot for yourself, and 1 for a friend or grandchild. See whose radishes pop up first. It's simple fun, and there's something magical about watching those cheerful bulbs appear out of nowhere. Fast, colorful, and crisp, radishes are proof that winter gardening doesn't have to be slow. Vegetable number 3. Green onions, the never-ending supply. There's something deeply satisfying about growing food that just keeps giving. And green onions are exactly that. You plant them once, and they'll reward you over and over again. Almost like they're saying, "Don't worry, I've got dinner covered." Here's the beauty of green onions. You don't even need seeds. The next time you buy a bunch from the market, save the white bulbs with their little roots. Place them in a jar of water, so the roots stay submerged, and within days, you'll see bright new shoots pushing upward. That's your indoor onion garden coming to life. After about a week, move them into a small pot of moist soil. Set it by a sunny window, and just watch them go. You can keep trimming and regrowing them for months. It's like having a living spice rack right in your kitchen. Picture this. You're cooking a warm bowl of soup on a chilly evening. You glance at the window, snip a handful of fresh green onions, and sprinkle them on top. Crisp, fragrant and grown by you, indoors in the heart of winter. The secret to endless harvests: don't cut too close to the base. Leave about an inch of green above the white bulb, and it'll sprout right back before you know it. And here's a fun twist. Experiment with different containers: old teacups, mason jars, even an unused candle jar. Your green onions don't mind. They'll grow anywhere as long as they can feel a bit of light and love. Vegetable number 4, baby carrots, sweet rewards in small spaces. If you've ever dreamed of pulling a fresh carrot straight from the soil, that crisp snap, that earthy sweetness, here's some good news: you don't need a big backyard to do it. Baby carrots grow beautifully indoors, and they're far easier to manage than most people think. Unlike their full-sized cousins, baby carrots don't need deep soil or endless space. A wide, shallow container, something as simple as a salad bowl or a window box, is all they ask for. Fill it with loose, sandy soil, sprinkle your seeds, and give them a gentle drink of water. That's it. Now picture this. A soft winter morning, you lean over your indoor planter, and see delicate green tops swaying lightly in the sunlight. Beneath that surface, tiny orange roots are quietly fattening up, waiting for the perfect moment to surprise you. In about 6 weeks you can pull your first batch, and the feeling never gets old. That tug, that little burst of color from the soil, it's pure joy. The secret to perfect baby carrots: indoors. Keep the soil loose and never let it dry out completely. They love steady moisture and cool air, and if you plant a handful of seeds every couple of weeks, you'll always have a fresh harvest waiting, one batch finishing just as another begins. They're sweet, crunchy, and beautiful to look at. The kind of vegetable that reminds you how rewarding even a small space can be. Vegetable number 5. Kale. The winter warrior. Some plants simply give up when winter arrives. But not kale. Kale thrives in the cold like it was born for it. It's strong, rich in flavor, and one of the few greens that actually gets sweeter when the temperature drops. That's why I call it the winter warrior. And the best part: you don't need a garden bed or greenhouse to grow it. A simple pot near a cool window or balcony is all your kale needs to stay happy. In fact, it loves the chill. It's what brings out that tender, sweet taste that makes homegrown kale so special. Picture this. Your window framed by dark green leaves curling gently upward, catching bits of winter sunlight. You reach over and pluck a few for a salad, or toss them into a warm skillet with garlic and olive oil. That's real comfort food, straight from your indoor garden. The trick with kale is simple. Give it room to breathe. It likes a deeper pot and steady indirect light. Water it just enough to keep the soil moist, and you'll have fresh leaves ready to harvest again and again. Snip the outer leaves, and let the center keep growing. It's a living supply that just doesn't quit. And here's something I always tell new gardeners. Growing kale indoors isn't just practical, it's beautiful. Those ruffled leaves bring texture, color, and life into any room. Almost like having a piece of the forest sitting by your window. So if you want a plant that stands tall through winter's chill, kale is your loyal companion, strong, giving, and endlessly green. Pea shoots, tiny, tender, and delicious. Now if there's one thing that always feels like a little miracle in winter, it's pea shoots. These tiny greens grow faster than almost anything else. Tender, sweet, and bursting with life, even when the world outside feels frozen and still. The first time you grow pea shoots indoors, it feels like watching spring unfold on your windowsill. You plant the seeds, water lightly, and within just a few days, boom, little green curls start reaching upward, as if they can't wait to meet the light. By the second week, you've got a lush mini forest of delicate stems ready to snip and enjoy. The best part: you don't need fancy supplies. A shallow tray, a bit of potting mix, and a sprinkle of pea seeds are all it takes. You can even use dried peas from your pantry, the same ones you'd cook for soup. Just soak them overnight. Scatter them across the soil. Cover lightly, and keep them moist. That's it. Now imagine this. It's a cold evening, and you're preparing dinner. You reach over to your little tray of pea shoots, trim a handful, and toss them into your salad or sandwich. That subtle sweetness, that crisp freshness, it's like eating a bite of sunshine right in the middle of winter. If you want a continuous supply, plant a new batch every 10 days. As one tray finishes, the next is ready to pick. It's a rhythm that keeps your kitchen alive and green all season long. And here's a tip from experience. Pea shoots love light, but they don't need too much warmth. A bright windowsill, or even a countertop near the sun will do. Just turn the tray every few days, so they grow evenly, and they'll reward you with beauty and flavor. They're simple, quick, and endlessly joyful. The perfect plant for anyone who wants to see fast results and feel connected to nature, even when the snow is falling outside. Vegetable number 7. Herbs, the flavor keepers. If there's one thing that can instantly make your home feel alive, it's fresh herbs. Parsley, basil, cilantro, mint. They don't just grow, they transform the air around them. A small pot of herbs on your windowsill can fill your kitchen with fragrance, color, and that little spark of life that brightens even the grayest winter morning. The beauty of herbs is that they fit anywhere from a sunny windowsill to a cozy corner under a grow light. They don't demand much, just a bit of attention and gentle watering. And in return, they give you fresh flavor at your fingertips. Picture this. It's early evening. The light outside is fading, and dinner's almost ready. You reach for your scissors, clip a few leaves of basil, and that sweet peppery scent instantly fills the air. A handful of parsley for brightness, a touch of cilantro for that earthy freshness, and suddenly your meal isn't just food anymore. It's something alive, something grown with care. The secret to thriving indoor herbs is simple. Good drainage, consistent moisture, and just enough sunlight to keep their leaves glossy and full of flavor. Rotate them every few days, so each side gets a bit of love from the light. And don't be afraid to snip. The more you harvest, the more they grow. Regular trimming keeps them bushy and strong, and there's nothing more satisfying than watching new shoots appear right where you made your last cut. Here's a little bonus tip. If your herbs start looking a bit tired, give them a break. Move them closer to a bright window, mist them lightly, and whisper a little encouragement. Yes, I'm serious. Plants feel the energy you bring to them, and herbs especially seem to respond to a bit of kindness. Fresh, fragrant, and endlessly useful, your indoor herb garden isn't just about growing food. It's about creating an atmosphere, a reminder that life keeps blooming, even when the world outside slows down. And there you have it. 7 incredible winter veggies that don't just survive indoors, they thrive. Think about it for a second. While the world outside is resting under frost and silence, you've just created your own little sanctuary of green life. Your spinach is quietly unfolding new leaves. Radishes are ripening beneath the soil. Green onions are stretching tall by the window. Carrots, kale, pea shoots, and your fragrant herbs, all growing, all reminding you that every season has something to offer when you nurture it. It's not just about gardening anymore. It's about creating peace, color, and vitality in your space. It's about waking up, seeing something alive, and realizing that you did that. So if this video has sparked even the smallest seed of inspiration in you, don't let it fade. Go ahead and start your indoor garden today. One pot, one seed, one small act of life at a time. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which veggie are you starting with first? Maybe spinach for an easy win, or pea shoots for something quick and cheerful. Let me know in the comments. I read them all, and your stories always inspire me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like so more gardeners can discover how beautiful winter growing can be. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Timeless Gardening and join our growing family of creative, calm, and passionate gardeners who know that nature's magic never really stops. It just changes rhythm. Until next time, keep your hands in the soil and your heart open to growth, because even in winter, there's always something waiting to bloom.